Hey guys, what the fuck is up, you guys? My name is emandan642, and today I will be eating not only one, not only two, but three different kinds of German cereal. Get a thumbnail image real quick. Alright, so today we got Cinny Minis, which are just Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Nesquik, uh, Nesquik, Nesquik, and Lion, Caramel. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what the fuck is that word? And I read it. And I was like, I'm guessing it means caramel, but like, look how it's spelled. And Shoko. I don't know what the fuck that means. Shoko cereal. Cool. So this one is rated a D on the Nutri score, which D is pretty unhealthy, right? I thought this is rated an A, which is really healthy. So this is the healthiest, I guess. This one's rated a C, so in like the middle. So okay, uh, I don't know. I'm gonna try this one first since it's just cinnamon toast crunch. Um, assuming it's like the same kind of deal. I came extra hungry today because these are three cereals, but there's like nothing in here. It's not even like it's like not even half a fucking bowl full. So all right, here we got Cinny Minis. All right, all right. I can't really taste the difference. I haven't had cinnamon toast crunch in a while, so I could be wrong, but it just tastes like cinnamon toast crunch. I just bit my lip. All right, that was Cinny Minis, and it was pretty good. Yeah. Next, I'll try Nesquik. Do they make a Nesquik cereal? I It's not Cocoa Puffs. It looks the same. It looks like Cocoa Puffs. But Nesquik has the fucking milk, um, like chocolate milk powder shit. I didn't remember them. I didn't know they had a cereal. Um, bruh. All right, looks just like Cocoa Puffs, dude. Oh my fucking god! This is like that one time. Man, German cereal bags. Am I right? All right, here is Nesquik. Just Nesquik. I'm definitely. I'm gotta like cut this video short. This is like too long. Um, tastes like almost exactly like Cocoa Puffs. It tastes a little different, but almost. All right. I forgot to. I don't remember if I gave a score for the cereal in the last video. If I didn't, then it's like a 7. This Cinnamon Minis were pretty good. I don't know. Uh, Like an 8 out of 10, sure. An 8 out of 10. That was pretty good. It was better than the I forget from the first video, whatever that cereal was called. The Frosted Flakes off brand, was it? Nesquik was pretty good. It was just kind of Cocoa Puffs, but worse. I'm not really a Cocoa Puffs isn't the best cereal, but it's like even slightly worse than that. So I'll give that I'll 7.5. It's yeah, I don't know. All right, and here's Lion caramel and choco cereals. I don't really know what this is, so I saved it for last. I don't know if caramel means caramel. Okay. Um, my fucking god. I can't really tell if it's caramel. My god, dude. Alright. Last one. Since I mean the other ones I'm sure you could like figure out what they look like. But yeah, this one looks kinda different. Looks like little weird shapes. Yeah. There's the other one, the Nesquik is just the Cocoa Puffs, and what's the other one? The Cinny Minis are just uh, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Honestly, no, I'm gonna. The Cinny Minis do taste actually different because I remember Cinnamon Toast Crunch being a lot better. I remember liking it a lot more. I haven't had it in a while. Um, Cocoa Puffs I like less, but Cinnamon Toast Crunch is quite good. Actually, this one's pretty good. This one's actually good. This one's like genuinely good. This one is definitely the best out of these three, and compared to the one from the last video. All right. Um, that one was definitely the best. Um, I'm gonna lower those other scores. This one's going to this one's a 7.5. This one's a 7. This one's an 8. It's not. It's pretty good. This one is definitely good. I don't know. I'd rather eat like what cereal do I have now? I don't know. Fucking Captain Crunch or whatever. But this is still pretty good. I would eat this again. Oh, it's guessing a German brand. Yeah. Well, actually, it's honestly, it's not a German brand, but I don't know. I guess they don't sell it in America, or at least I haven't seen it. Well, that was that German cereal. Next up, you'll get Japanese cereal. Just wait a couple months for that, okay? Um, yeah, it was pretty good. Fuck you, this video's too long.